Hello everyone, myself Kriti Zare from DYPMR Akurdi Pune. My topic is CO2 capturing with a different method. As you know, the emission of the CO2 is day by day increases, and capturing of the CO2 is most efficient at the point sources such as a large fossil fuel or biomass or energy facilities, industries with major CO2 emissions, natural gas processing, synthesis fuel plants, and fossil fuel based hydro production plant. Extraction of the CO2 in the air. It is possible for concentration of CO2 is compared with the combustions of the reactions, and also with the ethanol by the fermentations generated cool essential pure CO2 and pumped under the Means conditions. And after that you have to impure of the CO2 streams like sulfur water could be sufficient to affect their pace behavior and significantly increasing in the corrosions of the wall or the pipelines in the chemical industries. Right? As you know that day by day the increasing the concentrations of the CO2. It may, due to what happened or what is the bad effects of that. Definitely it is important one, but what is the bad effect of that? Due to that, your CO2 house effects, again sea level rises, again it is also impacted on the agricultural feed, reductions of the ozone layer increasing in the extreme weather. Again there is a chances of the spread of the diseases. Ecosystem, it must hamper the ecosystem. Changes of the temperatures into the atmosphere also, right? So these are the some bad effect if you are going to increase, if it is continuously increasing the CO2 level into the environment. So this is the simple graph how your how the CO2 emission is going to the increases. Now what is the main object or what is the main theme of my this research or this project? It become that you must be using by any software. By using the any software you can do the just you have to find out which method is the better one for the capturing of the CO2. There are the mainly three methods, depending upon your geological storage, depending upon the condition you can implement that particularly methods. And after that you have to develop the rate based models and understand which are the different parameters that affect to the performance of the system. Like when you can consider you have to optimize any process, so n number of the parameter is there, like temperature is there, pressure is there, mole ratio is there, mass fraction is there, any particularly reaction is there. So out of that particularly all parameter which is largely affected, whether the time is largely affected, whether the temperature is largely affected, and how can you concentrate on particularly that parameter, that all parameter you have to find out into the carbon storage method. And again you have to do the optimization, or you have to find out which one is the correct rate from that analysis, from that method. You have to optimize that particularly parameter, and after that you got the higher output, means you can store the large amount of the CO2. So in this way if you are going to do the storage of the CO2, so definitely you are going to pollute the environment less, as there is a simple method of the capturing of the CO2, but you can change the different solvents. So you can maybe they change the monoethanol amine, maybe you are going to change the potassium carbonate, maybe you are going to use the chilled ammonia. These are the different solvent you are going to use for capturing of this. Again when you are going to do the sequestration of the CO2 by reacting with the natural magnesium or the calcium which containing the CO2 to form the carbohydrates and other unequal advantages. So definitely you are more focused on the which are the different advantages based upon that. And again of course carbonates having the lower energy streams with respect to the CO2, and which will why the mineral of the carbonations in thermodynamically favorable and occurs into the naturally. And secondly when you can consider the magnesium, so it is definitely it is a form in the nature abundantly. And finally the product carbonates are again stable, and thus there is no problems to pollute of the environment. ठीक है. So in this way you can simple use the different solvent, and with respect to that you are just going to do the capturing method of the CO2, or which are the different techniques. So generally you are going to use them. These are the four methods for the capturing of the CO2. Like first one is with respect to the chemical absorption, with the, like as already told, that you can take the any solvent and you can select it. Physical absorption, membrane separation, adsorption. Also you can use the cryogenic separations. Cryogenic means what? In that particularly condition you are going to, whatever the parameter you are going to use, that is definitely it is having the negative or the less amount of the temperature or volume per or melting point, whatever the parameter you are going to decide it. So you can just use that particularly parameter. These are the different process or different, you can say, the steps while you are going to consider the capturing of the CO2 by any methods, right? You can use the, definitely you can use the any method with respect to our field. So definitely you require the, what is the descriptions of that? So you require the fuel gases cooling and the compressions. That is the first one, right? Because which type of the raw material, or from where, or which is the sources that you are going to capturing the CO2, that is main important parameter. So based upon that you are going to decide it the cooling or the compression, which factor is going to require in that, right? And after that you go for the absorptions and also the regeneration of that particularly solvent with the your CO2 compressions method. So what happen if you are going to decreasing the decreasing the CO2 emissions? So definitely it may be reduced up to the 10 to 20%, and generally environmental effect to the arises, or you can say the CCG, during the power production, CO2 capture, transport and the storage. So definitely these are the some issues may be going to arises. Additional energy is required for CO2 capturing. That means it is subsequently more fuel has to produce the same amount of the power, depending on the plant type. For the supercritical coal plants using the current technology, or the extra ranges, with respect to the ranges, as I already told you, that with depending upon which type of the raw material or from where you are going to get the raw material, with respect to that you are going to just follow these the simple process descriptions of that. Now definitely you are more focus on the what is the output of that. So definitely you can reduce the environmental pollution somehow. I'm not telling that you are going to reduce the 100%, but whatever the CO2 is present into the environment, by using this method definitely you can reduce the some amount, or else you can store that CO2 in a particular place, and after the storing of this your CO2, definitely you can utilize in which field you, whether you are required for the power field, whether you are required for the chemical field, or whether for any coolant, for any, you can say, the melting point for cooling purpose, or for the heating purpose. So you can definitely use the CO2. So that is the simple output of the process. Thank you so much.